Don't forget like, share, comment and subscribe. For your hair to regain its radiance, to regain its vigor, to stop hair loss and more, to regenerate your hair, you need natural solution, since products in the trade use additives or conservative, based on chemicals, to maintain the shelf life. Although, at first glance, those products seem to work, with time you will find that your hair is damaged, the hair thins, and more begin to lose hair. What's to do? You need a solution to your problem, but a solution that contains natural ingredients to combine themselves at home. One of the recipes for the maintenance and natural regeneration of hair consists in 3 ingredients, which are recognized worldwide for their benefits, for hair. These ingredients are coconut oil, guava leaves and onion. Seems a strange combination, but let's see why I chose these 3 ingredients. First of all, the leaves of guava can prevent hair loss, and can regenerate hair if used as hair care products every day. Why are the leaves of guava for hair? The main reason is that these leaves contain vitamin B, the most important vitamin that protects the health and fertility of the hair. The second is coconut oil, which unlike other products such as sunflower or mineral oils, has a property to penetrate the hair and moisturize in depth. Did you know that coconut oil stimulates blood circulation? So, if blood circulation increases in the scalp, the hair follicles are also stimulated, increasing the rate of growth of the hair. Applied to the scalp, coconut oil nourishes and moisturizes hair follicles with nutrients, such as vitamins E and K. Coconut oil has antifungal properties. Its use helps to destroy the bacteria and fungi that cause the formation of dandruff. Coconut oil has a sun protection factor, SPF, 8, so by using it, you can naturally protect your hair from the harmful effects of sunlight. Onion juice contains a significant amount of sulfur, applied on the scalp twice a week for 2 months, stimulates hair growth and scalp circulation, strengthens hair and gives it volume, but is also effective in preventing and stop bleaching, premature, of hair. Sulfur improves the production of collagen necessary for hair growth. For preparation, we need 100 grams of onion, 1 bowlful of fresh guava leaves, or half a bowl of dried guava leaves, and 250 milliliters of coconut oil. In a saucepan, put the oil in the boil with the guava leaves, then add the finely chopped onion, and boil it, with the stove flame to low level, for 40 minutes. Remove the saucepan from the fire, let it cool, and then squeeze the mix with gauze. The oil is applied to the hair, massaging the scalp, making sure that the mixture covers all hairs. Hairs must cover with bathing cap and leave for 15 minutes with this oil. Then, wash your hair as usual. This hair treatment is applied 2-3 times a week. Using this treatment, your hair will regain its brilliance, hair will thicken, hair loss will stop, and more, hair will regenerate. Hoping that you liked the information provided by me, I thank you for your attention. Robert Von Rotzroy channel is a video channel. Educational information offered come from documentation and personal experience, so before beginning an alternative cure, you must inform your doctor, because he knows your medical history, prescriptions, drugs that you follow and your reactions allergic to various substances or food.